Hey, what is up, everybody? Hunter here. So we're out in the shop just for a little bit. We're gonna make a quick video on this car. So we have here probably 1 in a million of a car here. So I ain't never seen one of these. Check this out, guys. We have a 1995 Chevy Camaro SS Limited Edition V6. First one of its kind that I'm sure of. That, or it could be the possibility of somebody just sticking stickers and badges on a car that it doesn't belong. But what is nice about this car is what you guys are about to see is the Pit Stop Garage's new project car. So we wanted to have a car that we can do whatever with. If we want to take it down a dirt road, beat on it, do whatever, this is that car. If we're gonna fix it, do modifications, stuff like that, some people might not approve, some people might approve. Again, this is that car. So with that, you guys are gonna see a bunch of content wrapped around this car. I'm very excited about it because it's like a blank canvas. We do have some stuff, some little bugs to work out of the system first, as far as like it needs a fuel pump. We did get it to run a little bit on some ether and stuff. Car seemed like it sounded good, ran good. But we got full interior. We're gonna gut that out. We gotta fix some floorboards. There's a little bit of rust in the back of this thing. She's got bruises, she's got dents, she's got dings, the whole 9 yards. But what's nice about this is this car, we're gonna try to document everything that we do to this and everything that is, you know, that we bring to the table with it, I guess. So we got some exciting stuff planned. We got this guy sitting here. That's a potential candidate for this. That's Project 305. And who knows? A little bit about the car. It is a 1995 Chevy Camaro. It is a T-Tops car. T-Tops come out nice. That's cool. It's got the 3.4 liter V6 in it. It does have some kind of programmer or chip of some sort on the air intake. It's all wired in and stuff. Not sure the details on that, but we'll dig into that a little deeper later on. Step one is going to be getting the fuel tank out of it, getting the fuel pump out of it, replacing that, fixing that, and we're going to show you guys how we do it. And I've seen some cool videos where people are cutting holes in the floors. Don't think that's what we're going to do with this one. We are going to drop that tank. But, yeah. Project Whip is what we've been calling it so far. If you guys have a better name for this car, drop it in the comments below. And, heck yeah. On a side note, this car is, it's a mess, but I don't think it's nothing that we can't tackle here. And it's all gonna be budget friendly. We're not going above and beyond with this car, at least not until we get a good bones back into this and then go from there. So if you like budget build hot rods, budget build project cars, this is the car for you guys to follow along with. So, and when I say budget build, we're talking, we might use Temu parts, we might use Amazon parts, I don't know. We'll figure it out. But I hope you guys enjoy this video and enjoy this series. And let's freaking go. Alright, one last thing I want to add to this video before I end it off was this car is going to cost us a little bit of money to kind of get up. It wasn't something we were quite planning for, but what we do have in stock is we got merchandise coming, guys. So later, check out all the social medias, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. We'll post some stuff there. We are going to be selling some pre-order merch, Pit Stop Garage Media merch, and your guys' favorite Do Crew merch as well. So it's a good way to help support the channel. It's we're definitely going to need it to restore this beautiful 1995 Chevy Camaro 3.4 liter SS Limited Edition. So you guys want to help support channels, support this build, pick you guys up some merch. Our Sticker Mule site is on there. I got a bunch of stuff that I could say and thank everybody. Check out Ride ID. This car is definitely going to be added to that fleet on Ride ID. And download the link to our affiliate stuff on the Linktree and TikTok. I will be adding all that stuff to Facebook and Instagram, etc. So be on the lookout for all that stuff as well, guys. But huge shout out to each and every one of you guys for watching, liking, subscribing, commenting, doing all that fun stuff on our channel, because that's what keeps us motivated, keeps us going, and keeps cars potentially coming back to the road. So thank you all again. Appreciate the love and support, and you guys have a great Sunday. Hopefully we get this video posted before the end of Sunday. That'd be great. And we'll freaking catch you guys all later. Peace.